Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Crypto Halloween. So today we are sharing something really exciting about the crypto space. This is the Block Days project, the news about this project and all what you can benefit from that. But before we dive into this project, I would like to ask you to follow our channel, like to this video, and especially comment to this video to see all your feedbacks about our videos, about this project, about all things that you can tell us about all our content that we create in this channel. So welcome back in the second part of our video. So let's go now to our platform Bitunix, and it's a platform that try to make an impact, a platform that try to be one of the major platforms in the crypto space. So Bitunix is built by a professional team with a clear mission: to use technology to make finance more inclusive and to give everyone a better digital asset trading experience. And you can see from the first page, it's like the same design of the major platform like Binance, MXC, Bybit. So you can see it's like the almost the same design and the same user experience for all. So who is using Bitunix? As you see here, this is some influencers, one of the major one in the crypto space. I know that you can know some of them, so you can check all the feedbacks about the platform here. Build your cryptocurrency portfolio, so like you do in any other platform, you can have all the coins that you would like in your portfolio in this platform without any problem. Okay, and in April 2025, Bitunix listed in more than 100 countries and regions, serving over 2 million users. So the platform has an average trading volume of one of the big in the world. It's $5 billion and it's ranked among the top 15 exchange on CoinGecko and top 10 on CoinGlass. This shows that Bitunix is growing fast and become a stronger player in the crypto industry. And one thing that stands out about Bitunix is the trading system. So you can trade with 16 charts per windows, and the platform offers the TradingView Pro experience. And whether you are a beginner and professional trader, Bitunix provides full cycle services designed for your needs. So for example, for today, we'll show you a trade that I have do here. I will show you how it's simple, but before that, let's finish our first page just to check all the details. So why Bitunix, secure, seamless insights, so the real-time updates, and also a very good customer services. And also you can check the articles about the Bitunix in Yahoo Finance, new BTC, the new crypto. So you can check all that by yourself when we finish this video. So as you see here, this is the main features of our platform. Like any platform, so you can buy crypto from here with zero fees if you use the deposit with euros via SEPA transfer. Also credit card and debit card are available here. Also the deposit with P2P trading and third party are also deposit as all the platforms. You can check the markets from here, the futures trading from here, and we will go back here after we finish all that. The spot one also from here. You can earn also by earn or the easy earn by smart saving or the dual investment. So all from here. Platform or the promotions, so you can check the promotions from here, including the referral. So you would like to refer a friend and benefit you and him from the referral code. And the partners, you can become an affiliate by applying in the affiliate program. More things to see here, like the blog. I will give you the full discovery when we finish all this video. So let's go now back to the features option. Why? Because I have used it. I have invested my own money here to check how it's fluid this platform. So you will see a trade, but before that, this is the terminal, the inside one. And as any terminal with the open long, open short, the trigger, the limits, the levers from here. So you can do all what you would like to do from here, like any platform. But before you do any investment, do your own research before any investment. Okay, so we can check also from here what we would like to do, and you can invest by open short or long. For me, if I check my order history, you will see an order here. So open short with 20x, and when I have closed, I have earned 200 and like nearly 250 USDT. If I will click to share, this is the details. So 124% with 200 and nearly 50 USDT as an earn from one trade. So also it was a short with 20x, so you can see all that. I will share with you all this one, or I will share with you my profit sharing and also with my referral code if you would like to sign up in this platform using my referral code. If not, it's not a problem anyway, just check the platform for your benefits. Bitunix also is known by customer services, so it's offered 24/7 support in English, Chinese, Spanish, and the average response time is just 30 seconds. So many users in Trustpilot has given the highest rating for 0.9, and the feedback show that support is very fast, friendly, helpful, and also solving issues within minutes. So what I like also is the simplicity. So the platform is designed to be simple for beginners, but also powerful for experienced traders. You can start investing with a little as $10. Bitunix supports spot and futures trading, copy trading. Even as I said, P2P payment is more than 76 fiat currency. And this exchange also allowed to 125 time leverage, offering flexibility strategies to different trading styles. Okay, so I will show you just when I have do my withdrawal, when I have finished this one, because it was finished just today. So I will just check from here the notification, the last ones. Okay, so as you see here, this is one of the last notifications, withdrawal completed, and as you see here, transfer and withdraw successfully from the platform. So this was all about our platform Bitunix. So as I said, I love the platform and I love all the things that offer this platform. But for any investment, this is not a financial advice. You must, or always you must, to do your own research before investing or trading. I'm sharing this video only for education purpose only and to help you to discover useful platform in the crypto space. Okay, so thank you for watching, and let me know about your comments if you like these features, if you like the platform. Have you tried it before, or it will be the first time that we'll try it with us? And also don't forget to put like to this video, comment to this video of course, and follow to our channel to help us to create more videos like that. So see you in the next video.